but it is a selfish drug in that it takes the lives of their families and everyone around them. Today, the Meth Strike Force released its annual report for 2019 and gave some figures that are really disheartening about 2020. And what is happening is that the deaths due to methamphetamine overdose have gone up. We had 546 individuals lose their life. But one of the most concerning things is the link between methamphetamine and violent crime. We know that 50% of people arrested for any crime, from homicide, child abuse, elder abuse, that they have methamphetamine in their system. It is a drug that turns people violent, turns them against their families and against their community. Today was about all of us coming together to say that this is a drug that you cannot dabble in. You may think you can control it, but it will control you and it will end in disaster. And this is why seek help if you're already using methamphetamine. But if you haven't started, hopefully, do not begin.